Hey guys, it's me, back on Science, and today I'm going to be shooting a tutorial video on how to make an easy paper Among Us mask for Halloween. So I'm going to be doing the blue Among Us character with the imposter teeth and tongue to make it more suitable for your Halloween cosplay. So this is a brilliant idea if you want to go out on Halloween as something unique. So the only materials I'll be using are going to be 2 blue and 1 lighter blue color. So what I'll be doing is, actually you probably don't need 2, 1 might be enough. So the plan is to make like the Venom mask that I once made a while back, but in blue color, and I think that will pretty good. So first thing I want you to do is fold it horizontally, vertically like this. Actually, would it be better if a slight change of plans. I'm gonna go for 2 A4s. So instead of folding them vertically, let's do this. So it's a helmet after all, so I thought it would be better if it was a bit bigger, so I'll be using both. On the top one, I'll be making a helmet like oval shape, pretty simple, so something like this. And then we'll have our eyes right around there, which we'll make with the lighter blue. And for the jaw, or the lower part of the mouth, I'll be again using this, and I think the mouth should be a bit bigger, somewhere right there. Just like that. And let's see where this takes us. First up, cut these parts out. Since it's an Among Us mask, we won't need to make much details using markers and stuff, so it might be fairly quick compared to my other videos. That's the jaw. Should have probably made it a bit smaller. Alright, next up I want you to take a red and a white A4 and then make some teeth and a tongue. So first let's start with the red. Now I want it to be quite long, so I'll be using this longer part of the red A4. and it's a pretty pointy tongue, so I'll fold it in half and then go like that. And for the teeth, I'm going to use some white A4. And I think just one of these is fine. So what I'll be doing is folding it in half several times. So that's 4, that's 8, and I think one more time to create 16 tooth. Alright, now let's cut. So I'm going to stick these to my structure itself, add a tiny amount of design, and I'll see you when that's done. So I went ahead and put the teeth in. Now I also have to put the glass structure, so I'll quickly glue this and stick it there nice and easy. Right there. So that's that. So far it looks pretty nice and scary. So you're supposed to be looking out through there. That's why I made the mouth quite big. And one more thing I need to do is to secure these teeth in place. Another cool little thing I learned recently is that if you take a piece of tape and like stretch it slightly and then tape it, then the paper will tend to roll inwards on its own, so that's pretty useful when making masks because you want that natural curl shape out. I think I stretched it a bit too much right there. So it's looking like that. So just to balance things out, I will do it on the other side. Now it looks more realistic. I might as well just give it some fold around there. So that's gonna make it look slightly scary, a tad bit scarier. And another thing I want to add is some tape around there because I feel like that's gonna open up. Perfect. And at the top and bottom as well. I just want it to be very secure. Now what we're going to do is give it some 3D folds here and there, one at the top, just like this. One on this side. On the other side as well. I should have let the glue stick properly because now this is opening up and I don't want that to happen. So that's the top part of the helmet completed. Now the lower part I will be adding some folds like those ones at the top. So let me quickly do that off camera. So there it is. Our Among Us Scary Halloween helmet is pretty much completed. That's a really good decoration for your walls as well. I really like it. Let me see if I can wear it. Yep, it's wearable as well. Now, to wear it properly, you would need like a full-on helmet at the back. But if you don't want to bother with that, you can just make like a strap around, like I did with this Bunny Five Nights at Freddy mask in one of my earlier videos. Also, I want to add one last thing, which is going to be tape at the front side over here. And I could give him like a fold right there, but I think that's sure, why not? Let's do it. I'll add one last tape folding around this area. I don't think that helped a lot, so I'm gonna cancel that idea. But if you want to keep it that way, you can. I did that because it would make it look more 3D in some scenarios where for wearing them. But since I'll be using this as a decor item more than a cosplay item, I will have it just like that. Put the tongue down, and there we have it. That's our Among Us Halloween mask for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.